Issues of exceptionalities.
Types of exceptionalities.
Intellectual disabilities, a condition characterized by below-average intelligence and difficulty in adaptive behaviors such as communication, self-care, and problem-solving, affects overall thinking and learning ability. Individuals may need support in daily living skills and understanding information. Learning disabilities, disorders that affect a person's ability to understand or use skills like reading, writing, or mathematics despite having average or above average intelligence. Affects specific academic skills like reading, writing, or math even if the person has normal intelligence. Behavioral disorders, conditions where individuals have difficulty controlling emotions and behaviors, often showing actions like aggression, withdrawal, or defiance that affect daily functioning. Affects how a person manages emotions and behaviors, often causing difficulty in school and social situations.
Common issues of exceptionalities.
Common issues of exceptionalities. Emotional struggles. Individuals may experience low self-esteem, anxiety, frustration, or feeling of isolation due to their difficulties or differences. Educational barriers. They may struggle to keep up with regular lessons, need special teaching methods, or lack access to proper educational support and resources. Social challenge. Difficulty in making friends, communicating effectively, or understanding social cues, which can lead to loneliness or peer rejection.
Support system.
Support system, family. Sila ang pangunahing source ng pagmamahal at sila ang unang lumalaban para sa karapatan ng bata. Sila ang nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob. School. Sila ang gumagawa ng espesyal na plano para sa pag-aaral ng bata. May mga specialized teacher din dito na marunong humawak sa iba't ibang pangangailangan. Community. Sila ang nagbibigay ng training sa trabaho at sinisigurong ang mga kalsada o gusali ay accessible para lahat ay makapamuhay ng mag-isa o independent.
Solutions to issues of exceptionalities.
Solution to issue of exceptionalities. Inclusive teaching. Inclusive teaching means allowing students with exceptionalities to learn together with other students in the same classroom. Teachers adjust their teaching strategies, activities, and materials so that all learners can understand the lesson. This helps students with exceptionalities feel accepted, supported, and included in the learning process. Assistive technology. Assistive technology refers to tools or devices that help students with disabilities learn more easily. Example, screen readers for visually impaired students, hearing aids for those with hearing difficulties, and speech to text program for students who have trouble writing. These technologies support learning and help students become more independent. Policies and support. Government and school policies play an important role in the supporting individuals with exceptionalities. These policies ensure equal access to education, special education programs, and necessary services. Support from teacher, parents, counselor, and community also help students with exceptionalities develop their skills and reach their full potential.
Conclusions.
Understanding exceptionalities is essential in creating a more inclusive and supportive society. Individuals with intellectual, learning and behavioral differences. Often of face, emotion, educational, and social challenges, but with the support system such as family, school, and the communities, they can thrive. By promoting inclusive teaching practices, utilize assistive technology, and strengthening policies.